Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking the time machine's core parameters. Make sure the dial and anchor match the intended era and that power levels are stable. Once done, install the 1/2 crystal stabilizer and attach the grounding rod to prevent drift. You should log baseline telemetry and set a clear fail-safe extraction plan so you can abort immediately. Move deliberately but not slowly. Get the first jump cued while monitoring the core readouts and your extraction window. This prevents wasted cycles. You now run the phased waveform sequence, ramping power from 10% to 70% in precise 5% increments to avoid resonance. While ramping, adjust the temporal offset to counter local chronodrift by up to plus or minus 0. 3 seconds. This keeps arrival coordinates accurate. Make sure to monitor the feedback loop closely for resonance spikes and entropy rise. Correct them immediately using the manual dampeners. Once the waveform stabilizes, lock the sequence and prepare to commit to the final transit. You trigger the final transit and engage temporal locks within the 3-second window. This is where commitment matters. After arrival, deploy anchors and verify a 3-point spatial temporal fix so you're not stranded in an off-grid moment. If systems report instability, immediately trigger extraction, cut power, and revert to your fail-safe. Then swap the stabilizer crystal and rerun the phase sequence. Make sure to recalibrate offsets before another attempt. This sequence minimizes drift and gives you a clear recovery path if things go wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.